classes in my Notion, and I actually have a great timetable. Like, I've never had these few classes in my life before. When I was in the double degree, obviously it was double degree, so my timetable was insane. And sometimes I even finished at 7 p.m. and here I think the latest I can finish at is 5:15 p.m. I mean, we don't have, there are a few things that are missing, like the Monte Carlo classes and the lab hours are missing, and it's also quantum mechanics 2, but I'm guessing that it's like quantum mechanics 1 for half the semester and then quantum mechanics 2 for the other half. But yeah, I feel so stressed, also super excited. Today we have programming, no, today we have first, so from 1 to 3:30 we have mathematics for science, so that should be like the easiest course for me, because it's going to be mathematics, which I'm very used to because I was doing a double degree in math and physics, but like easy mathematics because it's not going to be like topology or groups theory, which I'm used to. So I think I'm really going to like this class. And then from 3:45 to 5:15 we have quantum mechanics 1, which I love quantum mechanics so much. And yeah, I'm just really excited to meet the people, to get to talk English too. That's gonna be so good. I am just so excited overall, but very stressed too, but yeah, very excited. So my outfit is this dungaree by Saida and this bell sleeve top that I bought. So everything is secondhand. This is secondhand. I bought it off the Depop. I bought this off Vintage. Well, this the jewelry is new. This I bought from Ugly Forest Fairy, I think her name is. And this my sister brought it back for me from Mauritius Island. Yeah. And I also have a little hair clip, which is also secondhand. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I did 15 minutes of yoga. Oh yeah, yesterday, I don't think I told you, but I planned out my workouts of the week, which really helps me to like hold myself accountable. And I bought 2 rest days, and the rest of it are workouts. I think I have like 2 yoga workouts, 1 cardio, 1 dance party and abs, and yoga. I don't remember what the last one is. But today I had a 15 minutes morning yoga, which was really nice. And the other workout is a 30 minutes workout, yoga workout again, for headstand, because I've been practicing my headstand a lot, and there's this specific video that Charlie follows that is like drills for headstand, and I found it to be really helpful. And then when I'm finished with the drills, I can actually practice headstand. So yeah, that's really nice. I need to not forget to do my groceries tonight, because I'm starting to have nothing left in my fridge or my pantry. So yeah, I've made my list too. I've planned my meals. So yeah, I'm feeling really good, really excited for the week ahead. And yeah, I'm leaving in about 30 minutes. I am so stressed. Yeah. Hey friends, I haven't taken time to talk to you today yet, because today has been insane. I had class from 9:30 to 11:30 about. Then I ate. Then from 1 to 3:30 I had a class. It was a math class. It was really, really good. I really enjoyed it a lot. And I was actually rereading the lecture like some minutes ago. And then I had a quantum mechanics class, which I was expecting to absolutely love. But the teacher, he isn't bad. I just feel like he's kind of going like this. It also was the introduction part of the class, so I think he has potential. But yeah, that first class of quantum mechanics was not hitting as hard as it should have, because I absolutely adore quantum mechanics, like, yes. And I think that tomorrow I have a programming class from 8:30 to 11:30. No, that's 3 hours. There's no way. I'm looking my beautiful agenda, because I already wrote down what my classes were. (8:30 to 11:45). Oh, programmation. That's a lecture, a programmation lecture. We have a 3 hours programmation lecture. I'm so enthusiastic. No, but like, it's been known that programmation lectures suck, because programming is doing the programming. Programming lectures do not make sense. Sorry to have to say it. And then okay, I do have quite a lot of time to eat. Well, I have an hour and 15 minutes, it's not that much, but from 1 to 3, I have statistics mechanics. I am so excited about this. I already had quite a lot, actually, of statistics mechanics. We did like Bose-Einstein, and Fermi-Dirac, and Grand Canonical, and such. I really loved it. I really enjoyed it. So I'm excited to have this again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know how to feel about the class, like the people in the class. I made like 2 friends. I made acquaintance with 2 girls. One who is Spanish, but she speaks such great French. Like, okay, girl, you go. And another one who is French. Well, she speaks French. She's in French. She told me that she came from, I think it was a country in Africa. I am so bad at geography. I think she said Gabon. I don't know what that is in English. Sorry. But yeah, I feel like I will definitely be able to make friends, which is so nice. There are a lot more boys than girls, as expected. In the double degree that I did before in math and physics, it was also the case. But yeah. And then after that, so I came home around 5:30. I chilled for a bit, and around 5:50 I went out again to do my groceries. I came home from the groceries around 7, and then I made dinner. And while dinner was cooking, I did a 25 minutes session of studying. I washed my face, I brushed my teeth, I put my pajamas on. It's 9 p.m. and I am ready for bed. I am very tired, but very happy too. I really feel like I'm going to be able to make friends. And oh, I also had a call with my mom while I was making dinner, which was very nice. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go to bed now. I'm gonna journal a little bit probably. I'm still looking at my journal. Look at how nice it looks. Oh, this costed me a pretty penny, I'm pretty sure, but it was worth it. I'm gonna be using this a lot. I am not looking forward to that programmation lecture. 3 hours of programmation lecture. It would have been programmation exercise class. Would have been like, come in, I fucking love it. But a lecture? Who even does programmation lecture? It's programmation in Python. Whoever does programmation for Python lecture? I thought, oh, that's a great idea actually. We can do that. No. Just don't. Like, just fuck off. Don't do that. That's a shit idea. Anyone else will tell you the same thing. Okay. I'm gonna journal for a little bit and then bed. Oh no, I wanted to work. The last thing I want to do right now is to work out. It's not even like a nice evening yoga class. It's a headstand yoga class. So this is not nice and evening like. It's just very much animated.